Aloha! My name is Kahil Walker from Koolau Law, and I am here to compete in this year's Empower Your Dreams competition to propose my idea, Koolau 3D Print. I was first introduced to 3D printing when I was in the 9th grade. Instantly, I fell in love with it for the opportunities of creating anything I wanted, so long as I could design it. After 4 years of 3D designing and printing, I was able to create simple objects to very complicated ones, such as this prosthetic hand I designed for my uncle. I was reached out to by HPH, Hawaii Pacific Health, to make face shields. I successfully donated 30 face shields to HPH and also 7 to Sunset Elementary School. I still have a few left over, and if anyone's interested, please feel free to reach out. After working on this project, I realized within the Koolau district there was no accessible 3D printing company to print custom objects. From such a need came the idea to start this company, Koolau 3D Print. Since starting this company, I've worked on several projects till now. This here is a boomerang from the popular show Avatar. Helmet visor capable of latching on to your helmet, and many others, which you can see right now. Last one is this fin right here. This is a custom surf-shaped fin that I've been working on with Maddie Rayner. So far it's been working well. I just need to work on some fabrication. The reason why I'm competing this year is because the 3D printer that I have is on the low end. Through this competition, I hope to get funding at least the minimum of $3,000 so I can get those high precision prints capable of selling even more products than I already have. Choose Koolau 3D Printing to make your dreams a reality.